Summer, summer, summertime. I'll just sit back and unwind. Drop a little Will Smith for you. Uh-oh, too soon? I don't even know. Cancel culture has got me scared to even form an opinion in the last 5 years. Anyways, I am here at Columbus, and full disclosure, it just rained and that stinks. And I gotta tell you, look at that. Unfortunately, the place floods sometimes, but 15 minutes before it flooded, or before it started raining, I put sunscreen on because I burn easy. So I don't know what to expect for this trip, but I'm gonna make the best of it and show you some cool stuff. Like that. How do you stay dry, man? Must have put some plastic on. G.I. Joe limited edition. Nice professional booth here, man. Really cool.
How much is the Ferrari?
Not all super old, but they're in there. You just gotta dig around. Sing-along radio? Oh man, I could use this for my videos and sing even more. What do you folks think about that? Probably not a great idea.
Well, I know that. 10 and 10 is 20. I mean, I get the math. I really do. It's not that complicated.
Old stuff, man.
Would you do 2 for 15? Sure. Okay.
But that's that one's in the box. Jeez.
You got 6 items? Or 3? Oh, okay, thank you.
Wow.
You had said 5. 5? I was going to give it to you, or give it to the little
'Tis the
one.
season for fishing stuff, man.
You put whatever you want on it.
Eagle claw.
I'll see at the end.
I thought they only did hooks. I'm not a professional.
I don't know if it works. I guess it does.
But I am always looking because the boys will be fishing. Probably,
I'll sell it, give it to,
dude. It's not a bad price, man. Milwaukee Sawzall. It still works like the day it was made. Seeing it in such good condition is just so cool.
I didn't expect it to be that bad.
I didn't either. You back for that or?
Yeah, I'm leaving. I spent money with you and the other guy. I'm out.
This is at least 60 years old.
yeah, the newest one's for 55.
Painted everything.
In pretty good condition. I know I see him with the box, and then the box makes it, you know, even more valuable.
Yeah. It's going straight in the car. Thank you. Have a good Memorial Day.
Yes, you too.
Yeah, I picked up a set to Virginia. It's got all the cars in there except the
all the way to York with me.
double bin,
45.
Yeah.
That's funny.
It's you.
Hungry Very cool. But I don't have a 45 player, so I'm not going to sit here and go through these. I can't afford to start more collections. Oh, some more over here. Wow. I love seeing all this stuff. One day I'll find one at a garage sale. I hope it works, because that is so neat, man. Set. I guess they go together. Awesome. I never know what these are used for, but this is really cool. Beer collection. Valentine. Some of those I've heard of. What are those things used for? Those big copper pots.
Washing.
That's a yeah. How are those? Oh. that's been painted. I had that. That was yellow originally, right? Somebody got creative.
You have a big bridge net.
No.
It's random, man.
No idea.
Cool.
Friend of mine.
He bought a whole shitload of them. Amazon warehouse. And he said he could sell.
Got a whole table full of goodies here, man, but look at these. The license plates are in really good shape. 33s. I wonder if that's a winder. I don't want to break anything, but that is neat, man. With globes. Things are starting to open back up, and look at that. The sun is starting to come out again, so that's pretty cool. Some more tracks. I swear, I must have made this. I must have made the rain come because these are all import. But again, look, smooth cooking surface. Probably like $5. You need a user. That's a good one. So yeah, I put on all the sunscreen because the sun was out. And I swear, 18 minutes later, it starts pouring. It's very unfortunate. Wow. Old advertising. Definitely some cool things popping up. Not too much of my stuff, but I don't care. I just like seeing it and sharing it all with you folks. Still holding out from our... I find a Rolex in the trash or something. Nice. Gotta keep marching. It sounds like a way to extract more money from people.
Yeah. It cost me $350 to be lead free. I'm sorry, to be lead certified for 2 years. Every 2 years you gotta recertified.
And how much does this cost?
$350.
Every time. Yeah. But what happened? What about the previous 20 years? It was okay?
Exactly. Depends on the politicians. You know?
That's neat.
I don't have much room.
That is cool. Holy cow, that's neat. I don't know too much about the stuff, but I know I like it all. Philco, actually. Oh, that's a nice box. You know? I had a cooler with the boxes, but I have like. Wow. That's large. Maybe wax, beeswax. You can make, you know, lead. Oh, you got fun with that. More marbles. Seagram 7. I remember getting sick off of that when I was about 16. Ugh. Gross. Holy cow, man. I never got into the shoes or sneakers reselling, but if I did, holy cow. Look at this. That is a... So many, man. How do you carry it all? Like hundreds. Also, I wouldn't even know real, but that's just an impressive amount of sneakers that I had to share. Always gotta stop at this booth, man. Signage. That is just impressive. Springs, clams, grommets, hot spring. Holy license plates. 20s. All 20s. That's sick. These signs, man.
Wow. It's all worked out perfect for us.
They're plastic. They're plastic.
I need cool. Like,
I do not have the food.
it's just so cool, man. The fire boxes. I mean, those things look like could be restored for all I know.
No, I don't remember it. I like that. Yeah, you kidding me? I just seen it. I was like, all right, this is mine. This is mine. That's cool.
But you busted out the heavy stuff today, man.
I did. He don't come
crazy.
with nothing less than good.
Look back here.
What do you got?
Lot of shit.
Holy cow. Are you doing a wheelie when you're driving?
Look at that fucking.
Dude, I had 18 anvils in here. I sold them all. It was 10,000 pounds.
What do you get? Do you charge by the pound? Oh my gosh.
Charged by the pound. Where'd you get them? They're good anvils. One guy.
Wow.
All boxes.
Look at that, man. That's just so neat, man.
$2, $4. What they were all for.
Very cool signage, man. That one's been shot a handful of times, which definitely adds character, man. Awesome booth. Come see this guy.
Kids were going down there and playing with it.
Oh, it's not bad. Real There's definitely a market for that stuff. Tom's River.
I got 2 cases here and I got some over there.
It's fun to dig through stuff, man. Looking for treasures. I wonder how much of this stuff breaks on the way home, man. Christmas stuff. You never know what you're gonna find, but I'm not good. I'm not good at digging and keeping the camera steady. So definitely in a tool free, I'll tell you that. It's a nice jug. I'm afraid I have to put you people down. Dig for some rusty gold. I always stop at this booth as well. I noticed the phone got smashed, man. That stinks. That thing is pretty cool. Always has interesting things. Toaster, I don't know. Don't know if I would use it, but oh, look at that. Military whistle? No. That's cool. Canteen action. That is neat. Good morning. These little ankle breakers. Lots of random things, man.
Take the cart back.
Always gotta check my competition.
You going all right? Everything's good?
Mine's 8. Did you leave me anything today, dude?
Fuck no.
Come on, man. Times are tough out there. Did you get?
Want the Dutch ovens?
Did you get those?
Oh.
They give you a better deal than what do you want? Like 60, 70 a piece?
Yeah.
Those were neat, like gate mark stuff, especially if it's a lid.
Yeah, no.
Finding that lid.
Found that this morning.
I saw that. I passed on it. I have too many Dutch ovens. Do you believe that? And sometimes they don't sell. And sometimes I have 10 on my table.
And
none sell.
You got too much choice.
My last show, I have 1 on the table, and people ask for 3 more.
See the fish?
Where?
He's got the large fish over there. The sunfish.
Yeah, no, they're cool. They're cool to look at.
Exactly.
Creepy ventriloquist, very cool. You guys are really buying up everything, man.
Only for the last 50 years.
This is cool.
We just got to fill with beers. We're set.
That's what I'm saying. Like, we throw a party for my boys every year.
That's it.
It was like a couple down years.
Back's eyes.
And he was
Oh, man.
focusing as they sounded more.
Blueberries
And
out
the
there.
band together those couple years, so they really had a lull and they started
Always
playing.
cool
Don't ask
stuff.
me the names of
I was secretly looking for a
Green set?
yeah, the small one to complete that set, and then I was gonna come haggle with you, but I didn't find that. I didn't find any. But I found a set with. I found a set of these for a good deal.
Okay.
I have a set I just overpaid for. It's like a pink set,
Yeah, pink's good.
but it's like a pink set, like you know, the regular.
Oh, I understand.
Because I know some of these colors, man.
Yeah,
they're,
the colors, and if they have the print on it are good, so.
in general, these are in pretty good shape.
Which
though.
is your board on?
Huh?
What's your
I was
board?
asking 60 on that.
60?
Yeah. It's got everything. It's a PE.
Man, I don't know. What would be your? I sort of only want 3 of them. The top 3.
Top grade.
You know, because
What did I quote you on all 4? I quoted 40, right?
I think you said 40,
Yeah.
which is not bad. It's just I don't know. I would offer you like, I don't know, $25 for the top 3.
25.
And if not, that's fine. I don't want to.
You can't do 30, right?
Oh, I can. I don't want to. Really cool stuff, though. No, it is. But yeah, I like the. Although that's a nice one too. But I have a OCD thing with completing sets.
Oh,
It's like fun, you know. I don't know.
So would you do 30 for me?
No, I'd offer you 25.
All right, take it for 25
Oh,
because
come
you
on.
came back.
I appreciate that.
You're welcome.
Tell you what, man. Put sunscreen on. It rains, washes it off. Sun comes back out. Have to reapply. So it's only a matter of time before I bring the rain again. And I'm sitting here on the second half and trying to find some treasures. And I think Mother Nature's just messing with me, man. Unbelievable. Look at that. Number 2 air power. And that one. This one looks too pretty. Does that mean it's a repop?
I don't know.
These look, they have the patina, you know, that's neat.
Yeah. I don't know what the deal was on this one.
That one looks too pretty.
Big Freddy, yeah. Look, I
I think the tops on those.
You don't see too many enough of these shirts.
No, that's real
Like
nice.
in somebody's attic or something.
Oh, I know, and if I couldn't get it to work, I'd want to try to make a lantern out of it or something, you know? Something creative, something that you could use.
It's pretty dark.
Wow.
It's yours?
Yeah.
This What's that, buckwheat?
Buckwheat?
That's wildflower honey.
It
Wow,
looks like buckwheat.
that's cool.
I would imagine there's some wheat in there.
Yeah.
You want to taste it?
No, but the honey tastes
I really like the tops of those.
the king of the honey.
The king of the honey.
Pool season.
How you doing, sir?
How are you?
May I help you?
Yes, I'm gonna buy some sesame sticks.
Here you go. Here's some cashews in the mix. Salted.
Oh.
I have unsalted here. Unsalted here. Mix over there.
Thank you, sir.
Here's a pistachio.
Oh my gosh, no more.
Okay.
I didn't even eat breakfast yet.
Okay.
Wow. Tell you what, man. Not cheap, but this stuff is high quality, and I'm definitely going home with some of this. I always check this guy out. He always has a rotation of just stuff and things. Once in a while, cast iron for me, but man, that's kind of neat. See how inspired I am by music, despite having the worst voice on YouTube. That is cool.
That's a fine money arrow.
That's so neat, man. I was just saying, like, I don't get out here much, but when I do, I always make sure I come see it, just so I could daydream. Gotta look at all the fun stuff. And a typewriter. Lanterns. I've been seeing a lot of lanterns and a lot of fishing gear today. I can't imagine why, but I want a beer right now. It's like 80 degrees and getting stickier, and here we have like 17 beer steins. I'm going home. Alright, made it back from Columbus. What a roller coaster with the weather, man. It was like rained last night, and then I got there at like 6. Gave me about 2 hours of like good weather, and then hi buddy. And then all of a sudden it started raining there, so the whole place shut down. I don't know, maybe for like a half hour, and it took another half hour for people to reset up. But a lot of vendors said, oh, this is gonna blow over within 45 minutes. It will open up and be a different market, and sure enough it was. So I had myself a little day. I got a lot of activities. Might have to change my name to Glass Joe, because holy Pyrex. That's a purple little Fire King. I definitely overpaid for some of this stuff. Like the primary, almost 3 sets. I think I paid like 140, which is way more than I'm used to paying. But these 2 complete sets are at least an 8 out of 10, and those on the internet go for crazy. Probably like minimum like 150 bucks, maybe more. The pink, that's another one. It's dirty, but it's probably an 8 out of 10, and I saw those on the internet anywhere between $200-300 for a set that's you know, and that's, I gotta go through it, but it's a pretty good set. This was a partial. I did get some iron. That I haggled the guy. I think I have a small one to complete the set, but I like those. That's a neat color green, but it's not a top seller, but still pretty cool. Little Griswold action. It's an unmarked Wagner's with the one marked from an 1891 series. I sell all this stuff really easy. This was a nice pickup. Guy had a pile, probably like 10 skillets, and then it was all new, unfortunately, but that one was hiding underneath. So that was a score. Number 10 for 10 bucks. Boxes, because I don't know how to say no to boxes or tools, apparently. Like that was I mean, that still works. That's neat, man. That's an easy sell. I got some nuts. I love these things. Yeah, buddy. You guys got to get in the fridge? All right.
This one.
All right. Dad duty. What else did I get? I picked this thing up from one of the tchotchke people because on our last trip we went up to the cabin over the weekend and my phone was flying all over the place, so I'm gonna put that in one of my 10 cup holders. And these things, check this out, dude. Daddy bought a couple rafts. These are like river rafts, like circles, has mesh for your butt. So picked those up for, I don't know, $5 or $10. So that was it. That was my journey. The rain was a pain in the butt, but I just hung out in my car for a half hour, had some coffee. It was worth the wait. And then I come back, I have to reapply my sunscreen. It was just up and down. But Mom said I can't play with you guys anymore. I have to go tend to a green pool right now. And not only is it green, I'm pretty sure there were 2 ducks mating in there the other day. So hopefully I don't contract anything while I'm cleaning it. Anyways, that's my journey. As always, as Castor and Kevin, I think we'd all do better. Starting with me. I need to wear one of those like dog collars so I have just tunnel vision and just stick to things that I'm used to buying, because I am going off radar lately.